Hello, this is Haozhu. This video is my explanation of lab8 part 1. In this part, we built a backend system that enables a real-time user chat, a group chat, and it includes a database, a fast API server, a WebSocket communication, and a local LLM model. First, we created MySQL database named MySQL database named group chat. You can see the result here, and then we wrote app Python in the backend folder response for receiving web requests such as login, registration, and the message sending. You can see the code is here. And we started the server with UV core and saw it's run on the port 8000. This indicated that our backend has been successfully started and the web page can be accessed. You can see here it starts well. And the regular HTTP only supports one-to-one request and answer, but group chat requires real-time updates. Therefore, we used a WebSocket. Then we download llama.cpp and run llama server. The local server is here. It's llama server. And I'm gonna show the result here, just like what's your name? Yeah, you can see the answer from llama. Okay, thank you.
Then I create the app and use the Android emulators like to make it in the virtual mobile phone, and you can find I can enter something, and I can use some password, and yeah, this is some like it's the app I created, and I can change its direction or anything else. Close it. Thank you. Questions in our part 4, and we send some data to this group chat and ask him where is the USA login center, open time, open hours, and he answers Monday to Thursday, and this is our application in the virtual mobile phones, and if this is the Android emulators, we can close this to see it. Yeah, we close it, and we open it, and we close this application. This is actually a mobile phone. We also can rotate these phones and find it rotate. Thank you for listening.
This is my demo for lab8 part 3 to create a custom chatbot with embeddings. In this part, I mainly worked on data processing, embeddings, and website for data collection and Q&A. First of all, I set up the environment on my MacBook Pro using Python and created a virtual environment. I also installed these packages which are required. I also created a env file to store my OpenAI API key and test it in terminal to make sure it worked. Here's the API key. I confirmed all the dependency was successfully imported, so the environment was ready. Secondly, we can get into the data processing and embeddings. Well, before I run my ingest Python file, I'm going to show you the directory of my data. Well, in my case, as you can see the directory inside the data, here's the ADS cookbook PDF. Now I run my ingest Python file. As you can see, after the PDF is read, it's split into 639 chunks, and it generates embeddings using OpenAI's API. And all of the embeddings was saved into this database file, which means the indexing was very successful. Now here comes to the driver function, and I'm gonna run the QA driver Python file to test the Q&A chain. Now I'm gonna ask the questions. For example, then the chatbot gives the correct and context-based answers directly from the PDF content. This proves that the retriever, embeddings, and LLM chain are all functioning properly. Lastly, I'm gonna show you the website design for data collection. Now I'm gonna run the web page. Well, this website allows users to upload the PDF file from the sidebar, and you will click the build and rebuild index to process them, and then you can ask questions directly on the page. Now we can load the retriever, then I can ask questions. Overall, the part 3 was successfully completed. This environment is very stable and embeddings are correctly generated. The web interfaces works, and also the chatbot can answer questions based on the uploaded documents.